You can upload multiple questions and essays at once using the Excel import feature. Navigate to the import module. Click on the sample button to download the sample Excel file. To download the essay Excel sample, switch to the Essay tab and click on the sample button again. Click on the import button. Select the question Excel file and proceed to import the questions. Similarly, click on the import button, choose the essay Excel file and import the essay. This completes the bulk import process for questions and essay.